Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best gas cylinder lifter on the market, the Strong Hand Tools Gas Grabber 2.0. If you work with gas cylinders regularly, you know how challenging and potentially dangerous it can be to lift and move these heavy cylinders safely. The Gas Grabber 2.0 is designed to make this task easier, safer, and more efficient. The first thing you'll notice about the Gas Grabber 2.0 is its compact and lightweight design, which makes it incredibly easy to handle. Despite being lightweight, it's engineered to securely lift gas cylinders ranging from 5 inches to 9.5 inches in diameter, and it can support weights up to 270 pounds. That means it covers a wide range of common cylinder sizes in various shops and workplaces. What sets this lifter apart is its unique 8-point cylinder contact system. This design ensures a firm and balanced grip around the cylinder, minimizing the risk of slippage during lifting or transport. This feature not only enhances safety but also provides peace of mind when moving heavy gas cylinders, which can be tricky and hazardous. Comfort is another important factor, and the Gas Grabber 2.0 delivers with padded dual handles. These handles reduce strain on your hands and wrists, allowing for a more comfortable grip and better control. Whether you're moving one cylinder or several throughout the day, these handles make a noticeable difference. The design is also quite compact, which means it's easy to store when not in use and maneuver in tight spaces. It's a tool that fits seamlessly into busy workshops or industrial settings without adding unnecessary bulk or weight. Installation or setup is simple. You just position the grabber around the cylinder and lift. There are no complicated adjustments needed, which saves time and allows you to focus on the job safely and efficiently. This gas cylinder lifter is also built with durability in mind. Made from high-quality materials, it's designed to withstand the rigors of daily industrial use. Whether you're in a welding shop, a manufacturing plant, or anywhere gas cylinders need to be moved safely, the Gas Grabber 2.0 stands up to the task. In summary, the Strong Hand Tools Gas Grabber 2.0 offers a perfect balance of strength, safety, and user comfort. It supports a wide range of cylinder sizes, provides secure 8-point contact for stable lifting, and features padded handles for comfort. If you want to reduce back strain and increase safety in your workspace when handling gas cylinders, this tool is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.